Hello everyone, Babs the budgeting coach here, and if this is your first time seeing my face, I do content around personal finance, mainly budgeting or primarily budgeting, a little bit of lifestyle, a little bit of brand work, and everything sprinkled in between. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, please stick around. If you click this video because you want to know more about money market funds, give me a few minutes of your time, you are in the right place. Remember when M-Pesa was new in the market and everyone was skeptical about it? Of course, anything new, the integration takes time, and yeah, remember that? Now we are here with money market funds. Money market funds are not new. They've been here for ages. But somehow, everyone and their mother, who should be having the fund, do not. So this video is here to convince you why you should have a fund. The most problematic thing that I see with my clients is that a huge number of Kenyans to date still have money in the bank. Their savings in the bank. And you know what? Savings will give you like less than even 2%, like 2, 3, 4% of interest on the money that you keep in the bank. So why are you keeping money in the bank? And here's the issue. When you leave money in the bank, you're just giving money to these big institutions to trade with your money and make more money with your money instead of you trading with your own money to make money. I've talked to so many people and again, coach so many of my clients who I've been able to help them start saving using money market funds with as little as 500 shillings. So anyone and their mother could do this. So here are some of the factors that you should consider or you should know before investing in a money market fund. The most crucial thing you should know is whether or not your MMF is regulated. And the regulating body for money market funds is the Capital Markets Authority, also known as the CMA. Another important fact to consider when choosing a money market fund is their physical presence. Do they actually exist? Do they actually have an office where their staff? Is it a reputable company? Yes, those things that we pose are yes, it's important to know whether it is existing in IRL, in real life. An important fact to consider is the liquidity of the fund manager. So what does this mean? This means that if today all the investors who have invested in, for example, a fund like Mali want to pull out today, are they able to give us back our money? It's important for us as the investors to know whether they have the money to do so. Otherwise, it can easily become a what? A Ponzi scheme. Another important factor is returns and fees. So very many of these organizations can give you supernormal profits, but are they realistic? Are they feasible? The thing with MMFs is the rates change on a daily basis. For those who know, you know. So it's important for you to not just focus on the returns, but on whether those returns make sense. Otherwise, supernormal profits are also a big red flag. Fees as well. How much are they charging you for trading or for the investing? Yeah, important factors. But here's the good news. Regardless of all these many variables that could or could not go wrong, MMFs are actually pretty low risk, and they primarily invest their funds or investors' funds in treasury bills, right? So typically you will notice that when the rates of treasury bills are going down, MMFs will also subsequently be going down, because primarily majority of them invest in treasury bills as the main instrument. But now I'm curious, are you already using a money market fund? Have you been considering one? Or what are the limitations, or what are the things that you are making you hesitate when taking on the decision on whether you want a money market fund or not? And for those who have them, what makes them brilliant for you? Why do you love your current money market fund? Or what makes you not like the current money market fund? And are these the factors you should be considering to change? Yes, these are the factors you should be considering when choosing to change to a new fund manager. Drop all your experiences down in the comments, and thank you for watching up until this point. And as always, like and subscribe for more interesting content.